Hey everybody, Mateo and Jamie here from Zpacks, and today we're going to show you how to properly set up and break down your Duplex Zip tent. Start off by finding flat ground if possible, and make sure the area is free of sharp rocks and twigs. Remove the tent from the stuff sack and lay it out flat. Next, stake out the four main corners of the tent, leaving a little slack on each guy line. Make sure when staking out the tent that they extend straight out from the point. If not using our 48-inch tent poles, you'll need to set your trekking poles to 48 inches. If you expect your pole tips to sink into the ground, add a couple of inches to compensate. Insert the front trekking pole outside the screen with the handle at the peak and the tip in the ground. Stake the peak guy line and adjust it if necessary. If the peak is too high, tighten the front corner lines. If it is too low, loosen them. The corners of the tent should be 6 to 8 inches off the ground. Insert the back trekking pole the same way and stake it out. Next, stake out the wall guy lines. If the walls of the tent aren't smooth, you may need to reposition the corner stakes or adjust the lines tighter. If the back corners are too low, loosen the back guy lines and tighten the main peak line to pull the front of the tent down and raise the back up. It should be 6 to 8 inches off the ground all the way around. The storm doors can be clipped down to the front center guy lines or rolled up depending on the weather. Leave at least one downwind door open for airflow unless the weather is very bad. To break down the tent, make sure that all 4 door flaps are undone. Now, remove the stakes from both peak guy lines and remove your trekking pole or tent poles. Next, you'll walk around the tent removing all the remaining stakes. Fold the tent in half lengthwise. Now you'll fold the tent in thirds. Fold the tent in half lengthwise. Fold the tent in half lengthwise, and now roll the tent up. Once the tent has been rolled up, place it back into the provided stuff sack. Well, that covers how to properly set up and break down your Duplex Zip tent. For more information, click the link in the corner or in the description below. If you have any additional questions, please leave a comment or reach out to us at zpacks.com. Until then, see you outside.